morning students. So in the last video we studied about the curves, line segment, polygons, lines, circles. In this video we'll start with the angles. Now what are angles? An angle is formed when two straight lines meet at a common point. Whenever two straight lines meet at a common point, the angle is formed. Like see, this is a straight line, this is a straight line, and it is meeting at a point and an angle is formed. So this is also a ray, this is also a ray, this is common point and this is an angle. Now see here, in the clock various angles are there. This is also forming an angle, this is also forming an angle. So this is acute angle. What? This is right angle. This is obtuse angle. This is straight angle. And this is one complete angle. This is the definition of angle. You need it to write in your notebook. Now, the common point is known as vertex and the straight lines are known as the arms of the angles. मतलब जो common point होता है, this is known as vertex. What? And this are arms of angle AOB. Right? Now see, this angle is known as right angle. This is acute angle. Acute angle is less than right angle. Obtuse angle is more than right angle but less than straight angle. This is straight angle. And this is one complete angle. पूरा एक revolution होता है तो वो एक complete angle कहलाता है. Now this is 90 degree. This is less than 90 degree. This is more than 90 degree. This is 180 degree. And this is 360 degree. These are the examples of the angles. Now see. Here is a small exercise related to angles. We will start by solving it. So this is greater than right angle. So obviously it is which angle? Obtuse angle. Now second one is right angle. Third one is acute angle. And fourth one is full straight angle. Now second one, it is a right angle, an acute angle or an obtuse angle. यहाँ पे तीन चीजें दी गई है. First one is apple pie, second one is toy house and third one is toy plane. So first one is apple pie. So ये वाला angle find करना है. So which angle is this? Acute. Now here toy house. So this is the obtuse angle. This is again acute angle. इधर कितना straight angles form हो रहा है? We have to find that. Here one straight angle and here second straight angle. So two straight angles. Here only one. Here also two straight angles. Now the next topic is measuring angle in degrees. अब मैंने आपको degrees बताई थी. There are different degrees for the angles here. So we use protractor. Protractor क्या होता है? Here this is protractor. This is protractor. We use this protractor to measure the degree of the angles. इसमें दो layer होती है. First one is inner layer and second one is outer layer. So most of what we do, we measure the angles by outer layer and then inner layer. And sometimes we measure the angles by outer layer according to the question. Okay. Now let's solve the exercise to see we have to measure the angle. So अभी हम लोग का whenever the angle face is this side, इस साइड अगर एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? आउटर लेयर से मेजर करेंगे, इनर लेयर से मेजर करेंगे. और whenever angle is from this side, right side, we will measure from outer layer. So here angle कहाँ फॉर्म हुआ है? राइट साइड. सो वी विल मेजर फ्रॉम द आउटर लेयर. सो हमें ये जो नीचे वाली लाइन होती है, दिस ब्लू लाइन, यू हैव टू कीप इन द लोअर आर्म. विल मेजर the angle. So this is 75 degree. And here when we will measure out, अभी हम लोग inner layer से देखेंगे. Okay. So this is 105 degree. So like this we will measure the angles with the help of protractor. आपको protractor के help से ही measure करना है and you have to write the angles. Now third next topic is drawing angles. How to draw angles? Now here see, draw angle ABC is equal to 55 degree using a protractor, a ruler and a pencil. So firstly what we will do, we will use a pencil and a scale inch ruler to draw our arc BC. BC है तो मतलब B और C नीचे आएगा. So here we will draw one arc. Then what we will do, we will keep the protractor on the arc. इस arc पे हम लोग जो हम लोग ने यहाँ पे arc बनाया उस पे हम लोग ये protractor रखेंगे और यहाँ से हम लोग measure करेंगे which angle 55 degree. Here from here inner side से 55 degree we will measure और point mark करके here से हम लोग ने यहाँ पे रखा 55 degree measure किया, यहाँ पे एक point mark किया. Then remove the protractor and draw a ray using scale. So here हम लोगों को क्या करना है, we have to draw the angles. Draw the following angle using the inner scale of the protractor. Inner scale मतलब this inner scale of the protractor. Now next one, draw the following angles using outer scale. Outer scale means बाहर का. तो outer scale यूज करना है तो हमेशा हम लोग एंगल इस साइड लेंगे. This side we will keep angle. अगर inner scale से measure करना है so we will put angle this side. Okay, like this you have to measure the angles. Now the next topic is perpendicular and parallel lines. We will solve this exercise later in the video. Firstly, let us understand what are perpendicular and parallel lines. So we can find right angles in these objects. Recall how a right angle is formed by two straight lines. Ruler में भी right angle बनता है, set square, paper, in all things right angle is made. When two straight line meets or cross at right angle, they are said to be perpendicular to each other. This is the definition of perpendicular. Some pair of perpendicular lines are shown below. Here see, this is a perpendicular line. This is the perpendicular line. This is the perpendicular line. These are the example of perpendicular lines. Now this is the abbreviation of perpendicular. This is the sign of perpendicular. We represent this sign as, whenever this sign is there, we have to understand that it is representing the perpendicular sign. Now see, next topic is parallel lines. Some lines which do not meet each other. एक दूसरे से मिलते ही नहीं है. They do not meet only to each other. They are known as parallel lines. Like table. Table की ये lines कभी नहीं meet करेंगी. Television set की lines कभी meet नहीं करेंगी. Ruler की ये line कभी meet नहीं करेंगी. So these signs are known as parallel. Two lines perpendicular to the same line are called parallel lines. And this इसका abbreviation sign symbol is this. Stands for parallel to. Right, now we will solve this. Draw the following angle using the inner scale of the protractor. हम लोग को कोई भी एंगल फॉर्म करना है. We have to form the angle. We have to use ruler for making the rays and we have to connect it by the lines, right? So let's start with the sun. Now see, the first one is draw the following angles using the inner scale of the protractor. तो मैं आपको D वाला करके दिखाऊंगी. सबसे बड़ा यही है. ओके, so what, हम लोग ने यहाँ पे एक रे बना ली, right? तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग वी विल कीप अवर प्रोट्रैक्टर रखेंगे. इनर स्केल से बनानी है हमें, तो अंदर का स्केल वी विल मार्क हियर 135, राइट. इधर मार्क किया 135 और फिर इसे हम लोग ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. नाउ सी, हम लोग ने ये लाइन ज्वाइन कर ली विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल. हियर वी विल राइट 135 डिग्री. हियर एनी नेम वी विल गिव, A, B, C. लाइक दिस इनर स्केल से हम लोग बना, लाइक दिस वी विल मेक. Mostly we make by inner scale only. Sometimes it is asked in a question that we have to make the angles by outer scale. Then only mostly we use outer scale. Otherwise we use inner scale only. Now see, outer scale से कैसे बनाएंगे? How to make by outer scale? So here we will make one line segment, means ray. Okay. Now here we will put the center, and we will mark outer scale. When we will do which one? We will do 80 degree. Okay. So what we will do? Here we will keep and we will mark 80 here, upper side, and then we will join this. Now here see, we join the rays. Now what we will do? We will write here 80 degree, A, B, C. लाइक दिस वी विल मेक एंगल्स. ये भी हमें ऐसे एंगल बनाना है. यार नेम ऑलरेडी दिया गया है, सो यू पुट नेम दिस ओनली. एक्स वाई जेड, जो भी नाम बीच में रहता है ना, इट इज वर्टेक्स, मीन्स वो बीच में आता है. हियर जो भी नाम बीच में रहता है, हियर क्यू, क्यू विल कम हियर. नाउ हियर बी, बी विल कम हियर, जी विल कम हियर. और एफ जी एच मीन्स एफ विल कम हियर, जी विल कम हियर, एच विल कम here. These are the example of angles. So this chapter is very easy, students. Please see the video, solve the exercise. Thank you.